Later that day, Stephen met Thomas at Knapford Station.
Hello, hello, hello! Any passengers for the rocket?
Come on, Stephen. Get out of my way. This is my line. I really don't understand why anyone would want to go slowly on you when there are faster and far more splendid engines available.
You're just jealous because they're not taking photos of you, James.
Huh.
He's only joking, James. Oh, have either of you ever heard a strange noise as you cross the suspension bridge?
No, I'm usually going too fast to hear anything but the sound of my pistons pumping.
I haven't heard anything either, Stephen.
Oh, all right. Never mind.